Over 20 million years, the koala has evolved in tandem with the eucalypts. The trees provide them with everything they need. The branches are their home, providing shelter and safety. The trees even help koalas regulate their body temperature. Hugging the cool trunks allows koalas to shed heat in extreme weather. The eucalypt also provides their food. Its leaves are low in protein and full of toxins, but they provide koalas with what they need. Koala's slow digestive system extracts all the gum leaves' nutrients and is able to tolerate its poisons. Adult koalas will sleep for most of the day. They need time to digest, and conserving energy helps them thrive on such a low nutrient diet. During droughts, koalas even get the moisture they need from the leaves. But this extreme specialisation could be the koala's downfall. Of the 700 species of eucalypt, there are less than 50 that a koala can eat. And of those, only a few can support a large koala population. As the trees start to disappear, so does the koala. The bond between the koala and the eucalyptus is uniquely Australian. Both exist because of the isolation that allowed the island continent to become its own separate creation.